Best director goes to Saidu, Raju Rambai. Best leading actor goes to Naga Chaitanya for Tande. Best leading actors, Rashmika Mandana goes to the girl, film is the girlfriend. Best supporting actor, Shivaji Garu for Dandora. First best future film, Raju Vets Rambai. Director Sri Venu Udgula producer, Sailu, Sri Sailu, director, Akil Raj, hero, and Tejaswini Rao, heroine. Daniki Raju Vets Rambai, first best future film. Gold. Second best future film, Dandora. Muppaneni Ravindra Banerjee, producer, Murali Khan Devasol, director and actor Nandu, heroine Maunika Chekila.